mabagal man ang takbo, no, nitong relationship ninyo, doon din naman kayo papunta, no? Doon din ang tungo. With the King of Cups, ang nakikita natin dito, well, medyo hindi siya approved sa pacing mo, no? Uh, I think that siguro sinasabi mo dito sa sarili mo, I am so ready, no, to have a committed relationship with you, no, kausap mo si person. Um, Medyo kinakabahan ako sa'yo dahil hindi ko alam kung parehas ba tayo, no, ng nararamdaman. Pwede natin sabihin ditong nung mga nakaraang linggo, buwan, pwede natin sabihin yes, pwede kang kabahan, no? Meron ditong realization na ngayon, almost on the same wavelength, same pace na even to a point na parehas na kayo ng nararamdaman. With the Six of Wands, I feel like merong itong surprise, no? Itong person mo. Especially kung nandito kayo sa singlehood or mutual understanding, situationship. I feel like itong, siguro ito yung present niya sa'yo, no? Either bago or pagkatapos ng Pasko, before the end of the year, that's for sure. Meron ditong cohabitation, proposal, marriage, being an item, no? Magiging legal na, siguro ipagsisigawan na, no? Meron ka nang pwedeng ilagay sa status mo, no? Na in a relationship. So, pwede nating sabihin, hindi ka nakasali at least, no, dito sa samahan ng malalamig ang Christmas, no? Napakaluma na ng samahan na yan. Wala bang ibang samahan ngayon? So, ano yun? I forgot. SM blah 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 C. Samahan ng malalamig ang Christmas. Parang smack, no? SM. Baka may advantage card. So, with the Two of Cups, may pag-amin ng emotion. May pag-amin ng nararamdaman. I want to clarify bakit mabagal, no, ang takbo. With the Seven of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. So, pwede natin sabihin na meron siyang options. Pwedeng ikaw ang may options, pwedeng yung person mo, you can switch the role, no? Kung sino ang may options, or baka parehas kayo. What I'm reading is the dynamic naman. From all the options, sasabihin nitong person mo na, I think nakapili na ako. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi pala sinabi ni person, may pa-audition pala siya. Tapos ikaw pala, no? Isa ka sa mga contestant. But the thing is, ikaw ang grand winner, ikaw ang champion, no? Nasa iyo ang corona. With the Moon card, the Eight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bago natin ituloy, I want you to know that this is a TikTok exclusive. So, dito sa TikTok, nandun na tayo sa 219,000 followers and growing. Yun lang po ang aking account. Wala po akong backup account, no? I don't need to do another account sa TikTok. So, please make sure na pinapanood nyo to dun sa aking official and one and only account na meron ng 219,000 followers and 1.7 million likes. Kasi kinukuha nga yung video natin, yung mga videos natin, okay lang yun kung i-repost, no? Wala naman tayong problema sa ganun. Ibang storya kapag they are going to pretend na ako mismo yung ibang account. So, that's another story. I also gonna post this sa meron na tayo almost 79, I think that we are on the 79,000 followers na, and meron siyang blue check mark. Yun lang ang aking account, wala na pong iba. The Moon card, the Eight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Eight of Swords is clarified with the Devil card and the Four of Wands. So, we're actually asking bakit reserved si person. Ang nakikita natin dito, kasi with the devil card, it might have something to do with the previous experiences, whether um, ito yung first hand experience, no? Whether sila mismo yung nakakita ng broken relationship, broken family, so parang may takot. So if they are not the one who experienced it like in a relationship per se, then probably ito yung parents nila, no? So yung mga past traumas, parang naku, parang hindi ako naniniwala sa relationship, blah blah blah, yada yada. Ikaw yung nagpatunay sa kanya na love is real, no? That love can be genuine. Not every relationship will going to end up, no, doon sa nasaksihan niya or na-experience niya. I feel like this is going to be a lasting commitment with the Knight of Pentacles kasi I'm seeing steady movement. So wala kasing galawan. The Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. I think ikaw yung makakapagsabi dito, no, kay person that love can be experienced without, parang sinasabi sa kanya, wag ka mag-alala, hindi ako gagawa ng ganun. No, I think that you're giving your person security or your person's giving you security, whichever, or probably both of you. With the Five of Pentacles, kasi you're removing something, no? You're leaving something which is with the Nine Ace of Pentacles. So this is, kapag meron kang tinanggal, ito yung merong ibabalik, which is mas malaki, mas magrande, mas maganda, with the Ten of Cups. So removing those traumas into something memorable, I think that this is going to be, sabihin natin, iti-treasure niya, no? Itong relationship na ito. For a few numbers of you, syempre nagkaroon din ng mga challenges dito. I think that this will be yung pagbabalikan ninyo, no? I feel like meron ng realization na ito na yung taong para sa akin at hindi ko napapakawalan. So I'm going to stay here. I'm not going to leave anymore, and papatunayan ko na through the security of either cohabitation, proposal, and marriage, yun ang ibibigay ko para wala ng second thought, wala ng pagdududa, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, or pwede ring lumabas ang zodiac sign mo. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Virgo. I'm seeing Gemini, Scorpio. Capricorn is very dominant, no? The devil card itself. Cancer is here. I am seeing Aries. I'm seeing, did I just mention Pisces? Yes. What else? I am with the eight of, yeah, I am seeing Libra and Aquarius. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. No, see you on the next reading. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.